The best part of my job is helping people and working with the teammates that I have. My name is Kimberly Borski. I'm a regional health and safety coordinator, and I've been with County Materials just a little bit over 4 years. I chose my position that I'm currently in because I like to help people and I want to make sure people go home safely each day.
The County Materials family of companies is grateful to the many women working for our organization. They are changing perceptions about manufacturing careers and moving the concrete manufacturing industry forward. We are proud to share their stories.
My experience as a woman in manufacturing, I've been doing this for many years, and throughout the years I've seen more and more women in this position and given many more opportunities. So I think that women coming into this position have a much greater opportunity than they did many years ago. The most rewarding part of my job is actually seeing everybody go home safely to their families every day. I hope to inspire through my work any of the young ladies coming into the career and hope that they look at some of us women who have been in it and know that they can do the same thing.
Our team members are the key to our success, and their dedication and talents make us stronger. Together, we're building a company that hardworking people are proud to work for, live near, and do business with since 1946.